Slow website, constant troubleshooting, and clients demanding answers you don't have time to find. Have you ever found yourself in a situation like this? As developers, freelancers, business owners, we all know how frustrating it can be to manage a WordPress website under pressure. But what if there was a way to eliminate all these headaches entirely? Hi, I'm Andrea, and I have been working as a WordPress developer for many years. Like many of you, I have struggled with website performance, maintenance, and ensuring my client sites remain secure and fast. Today, I'm here to share with you how managed WordPress hosting has been a game changer for my workflow and why recommending it to your clients can take your freelance or development business to the next level. Managed WordPress hosting is a service where the hosting provider takes care of all the technical aspects of running a WordPress site, including performance optimization, security measures, and automatic updates. This allows developers to focus on building and customizing sites without worrying about server management. InstaWP Live offers a hosting environment optimized specifically for WordPress, ensuring high performance, reliability, and security for your website. Now let's go through the step-by-step process of setting up a managed WordPress hosting environment with InstaWP Live. It's quick, it's efficient, and perfect for developers, freelancers, and agencies. First, log in into your InstaWP account. If you don't have one, signing up just takes a few minutes. Once logged in, navigate to the hosting tab located in the top navigation bar. This is the central hub for managing all your hosted sites. Click on plus new site to start the setup. When prompted, select InstaWP Live as your hosting option and proceed by clicking next step. InstaWP Live offers flexible pricing plans based on your needs. Choose a plan that fits your project and your budget and then proceed to the next step. Now let's configure your site. Select the data center location for optimal performance. Choose the PHP version best suited for your project. Enter your domain name or just use InstaWP's free staging domain. Now you can enhance your site by selecting pre-installed plugins and themes. You can choose from categories like SEO, security, speed optimization, page builders, and so much more. Once you have configured everything, hit go live and let InstaWP handle the setup. In just a few moments, your fully managed WordPress site will be up and running. And that's it. You now have a fully optimized, managed WordPress hosting environment, allowing you to focus on building and scaling your websites without the usual hosting headaches. We all know that website speed is crucial for user engagement and, of course, SEO ranking. InstaWP Live provides optimized WordPress hosting with features like low page speed index, edge caching, global data centers, and built-in CDN, ensuring your sites load quickly and efficiently. With these optimizations, you can deliver a seamless user experience, keeping visitors engaged and clients very happy. Of course, security is top priority for any website. We all know that. And InstaWP is equipped with a web application firewall that monitors, filters, and blocks harmful traffic, enhancing the overall security of your WordPress website. These building security measures provide peace of mind, knowing that your sites are protected against common threats. And we all know that managing multiple client websites can be very overwhelming. InstaWP Live simplifies this with centralized management tools, allowing you to perform bulk updates, manage plugins, and monitor site performance from a single interface. This streamlined management saves time and reduces the complexity of handling multiple sites. Also, having access to expert support is invaluable. InstaWP Live offers dedicated support from WordPress professionals who can assist with troubleshooting and advanced configurations. Responsive and knowledgeable support ensures that any issues are addressed swiftly, minimizing any downtime and maintaining client trust. As a freelancer or agency, recommending InstaWP Live to your clients offers several advantages. Optimized loading environments ensure fast loading times, improving user experience. experience. Advanced security features protect client data and site integrity. Centralized tools streamline site management and allow you to focus on development. Access to professional assistance when needed keeps projects on track. To help you experience the benefits of InstaWP Live, use the code YouTube50 to get 50% of your monthly plans for the next 6 months. It is a great opportunity to enhance your hosting experience while also saving costs. By choosing managed WordPress hosting with InstaWP Live, you can overcome common development challenges, deliver superior websites, and build stronger relationships with your clients. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your workflow.